Alright, let me show you one of the most useful budget tool hacks I've come across recently. This is the SenNan Electric Drill to Angle Grinder Converter, and honestly, for under $1, this thing is kind of genius. If you already have a regular electric drill or a cordless drill at home, this adapter lets you turn it into a mini angle grinder in seconds. Yep, you can attach cutting discs, grinding wheels, polishing pads, and even polishing sponges, all using your existing drill. It comes with a 10mm triangular shank, so it fits securely into most drills, and once installed, you can cut metal, polish surfaces, grind edges, or even work on small DIY crafts and jewelry projects. This is perfect for quick jobs where you don't want to pull out a full-size angle grinder, or if you don't even own one. It's compact, lightweight, and made from solid steel, so it actually feels sturdy for the price. Whether you're doing home repairs, DIY projects, or light metal work, this adapter gives your drill a whole new set of skills without spending extra money. If you want to grab one, click the link in the description below to buy, especially while it's discounted. And if you enjoy discovering smart tools and useful tech like this, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and cool finds.